So we are canoeing. This is day 2 of our vacation mode, and we are canoeing in this lake. I don't know the name of the lake, but there is a small waterfall at the back. I will show you later, but yeah, it's these are the views. This is our small canoe, and we are having fun in this. It's all manual, and it's the same place that I've been living, but in a different area. So that's the place. So we can just go down in the river, in this lake, and just canoe and see the area. Right now I am at Panorama Park in township of Minden Hills, and this is such a nice place. It's so quiet. The drive is uphill and you can see the whole town from here, but it's an amazing view from here. This is the place, and I will show you what you can see the town wise. So at this park they have picnic tables. You can come sit and relax or bring your food over here, but it's such a nice quiet place. It's evening right now, the sun is setting, and you can see the whole city view from here. The city that you're seeing is town of Minden.